live, and I'm here today with another 5 questions with Jase. Jase is somewhere, as you said, on the west coast or the east coast of England?
Northeast England.
Northeast England. That was close. Awesome. And how long have you been studying law of attraction for?
About 8 years now, but
Okay.
I haven't been studying it thoroughly. I've been getting bits and bits of everything, and like you said in one of your videos, I'm getting so much, but I'm not applying it. I'm one of those. I was in the 99% that weren't applying it and weren't doing anything.
Yeah.
Now I found the collective. It's getting to actually apply the techniques now, and it's
Awesome.
showing movements.
Yeah, well, you've shared some good manifestations so far in the collective too, which is awesome.
Yeah,
All
and
right.
that actually gets me into my first question, which is about freedom of time and having the time to apply the techniques. And I'm finding that I have a lifestyle job where I'm needed constantly every day. And so when I do have breaks, I'm either napping or I'm having something to eat. So when I do listen to the stuff when I'm in the bath or when I'm eating. It's just I'm saying to myself, I don't have the time to do anything. How do I become the master of my time?
Okay, so essentially what you're saying is you're manifesting a lack of time, right? So time is a vibration, just like freedom would be a vibration, just like money's a vibration. So I would say for you, in order to manifest more time, it's a matter of taking your focus out of don't have enough time, I gotta be busy, blah, 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 which is probably what's creating that experience, that vibrational match, and shifting that to noticing an abundance of time. And one way you could start practicing that as homework is, let's say you have a half an hour drive to get somewhere in your car. Leave 10 minutes early, and for that whole drive, notice, oh, I've got lots of time to make it there. I've got so much time to make it there. So any way you can squeeze in the awareness and noticing how much time you have, that's what I would start to practice, because that's the opposite of that lack of time aspect. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I was kind of hypnotizing myself into that vibration of not having it.
Totally.
And I've just been validating it with my thoughts.
Totally.
So now if I start recognizing that I do have it, it seems so simple the way you've put it.
Totally. And then the other thing you could look at too is, how does the lack of time make you feel? So when you think of not having enough time, what's the emotion that comes up? Is there a rushed feeling? Is there an overwhelmed feeling? Is there a stuck feeling, right?
Stuck and stress, I would say.
Yeah, and did you do the attraction point audit in the call we did last month?
I did, yes.
Yeah, and was stuck one of your dominant emotions that came up?
It was stuck and not feeling good enough.
Yeah,
Both of
and
those,
not good enough is actually stuck and not good enough, I would say, are probably the top two I see in most people. So for you, the second piece of homework on more freedom of time or abundance of time would be to maybe clear the stuck feeling too.
Right, yeah. Awesome.